Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to contact TikTok customer support. Now we have to do is to launch our TikTok application. And then from here, we're going to tap on our profile. And then we are going to tap on the three lines. Then we're going to tap on settings and privacy. From there, navigate to the option in which you're going to see support and about. Then if we tap on report a problem, we're going to be able to contact the TikTok customer support by telling them the type of issue we are experiencing, and they are going to give us the solution to the type of problem that we are currently experiencing or you really are experiencing. When we go back and tap on support, and then once we tap on help center, from here we're going to see popular articles and topics on how to actually be able to know how TikTok operates and how to be able to navigate our way through in TikTok. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.